ways. Just performed about, I don't know, 13 years ago or so. And at this little party, there was this little dude had this little Christmas hat on, and he was singing this song. It was so cool. Happened to be this guy and me. And we're doing it again for you guys here at O'Malley's. So here's a little song I'd like to dedicate to your dads. Here's Cats in the Cradle. The child around just the other day came to the world in the usual way. There were plays to catch, bills to pay. Learned to walk while I was away. He was talking bold and new, and as it grew, he said, I'm gonna be like you, Dad. I'm gonna be like you. Sing it. And the cat's in the cradle in a silver spoon. Little boy blue with the man on the moon. When you're coming home, said I don't know where. Get together there, Dad. You know we'll have a good time there. Well, the tears are turned just the other day. Said thanks for the ball that you all let you. But did you feel through? I said not today. I got a lot to do. Said that's okay. You walked away and smiled and said, you know, I'm gonna be like you, yeah. You know I'm gonna be like you. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon. Little boy blue and the man on the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know where. We'll get together there, Dad. You know we'll have a good time there. Came from college just the other day. So much like a man, I just had to say, so proud of you. Could you stay for a while? He shook his head and he said with a smile, like that, it's the ball, the car, please. See you later, can I have them, please? And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon. Little boy blue with the man on the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know where. Get together there, Dad. You know we'll have a good time there. Well, I've long since retired and my son's moved away. He called me home just the other day from NC State. Said I'd like to see you if you don't mind. I'd love it, Dad, if I can find the time. He said the new job's a hassle and the kids have the flu, but it's sure nice talking to you, Dad. It's for sure nice talking to you. And as I hung up the phone, it occurred to me, a boy grew up like me. That's right, a boy just like me. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon. Little boy blue with the man on the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know where. Get together there, Dad. You know we'll have a good time there. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon. Little boy blue with the man on the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know where. Get together there, Dad. You know we'll have a good time there. Croatan Wrestling rocks! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. There's a lot of young talent up in here, I'll tell you this.